Sarah went to the store for grocery. It was sunny when she walked in. She got a basket and explored all the sections. Fruits and veggies looked nice for a healthy choice. The smell of fresh bread made her grab a roll. Warm bread for dinner was a good idea. She felt good putting groceries on the belt. Cheese and yogurt were in the dairy section. Choice made her stop and think. Chicken or beef, that was the question. Ice cream called her name in another pot. She picked flavors for yummy dessert. Chocolates at the end were hard to resist. A sweet treat went into her cart. Leaving the store, she felt proud and excited. At home, she unpacked groceries effortlessly. Fresh items were ready for cooking fun. Chopping veggies made a satisfying sound. Garlic in a hot pan smells so good. Herbs added flavor to the simmering sauce. Pasta boiled while she checked the recipe. The kitchen smelled amazing and looked busy. The oven beeped and dinner was ready. The dish looked golden and delicious. Sarah set the table for a cozy meal. Dinner looked colorful and tasty. Every bite was like a food adventure. Dishes done, the kitchen was clean again. A full fridge made her feel secure. Leftovers were saved for tomorrow. Evening men carried the scent of her meal. Sarah sighed happily in her chair. Sarah smiled, proud of her shopping success. The supermarket trip was more than just shopping. She remembered what to buy next time. Tea in hand, she relaxed after a good day. Shopping turned into a cooking celebration. Breakfast plans were made for tomorrow. Sarah looked forward to the next shopping trip. The store became a place for cooking fun. She felt thankful for all the choices. Her shopping cart had endless food possibilities. Sleep came easy after a day well spent.